So you want your money to work for you. But are you stuck north of the border? Ever feel like all the cool finance apps leave Canadians out in the cold? You're not wrong. There are tons of fintech platforms in the US offering high-yield savings, robo-investing, and student loan refinancing, but what about us Canucks? Today, we're diving into SoFi, a popular all-in-one finance app. They've got student loan refinancing, personal loans, credit cards, investing options, and even a high-yield savings account. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But the big question, can Canadians join the SoFi party? Let's buckle up and find out if SoFi accepts our friendly loonies and toonies. Why SoFi? Breaking down the hype. So why all the buzz around SoFi? First, it's an all-in-one platform. Imagine managing your checking, savings, investing, and borrowing all from one user-friendly app. Convenience is king, especially when you're juggling finances. Second, SoFi boasts competitive rates. We're talking potentially higher returns on your savings and potentially lower interest rates on loans. That can be a game changer, especially for young adults wrestling with student debt. Third, SoFi gets major points for its career coaching and financial planning tools. They want you to succeed, which is always a good sign. The moment of truth, SoFi in Canada, aye or nay? Alright, enough with the build-up. Can Canadians hop on the SoFi train? Here's the not-so-great news, SoFi isn't currently available to Canadian residents. There. I said it. Bummer, right? SoFi doesn't explicitly state why they haven't expanded north, but it likely comes down to regulations. Every country has its own financial laws and hoops to jump through, and navigating those can be a complex process. But don't despair, Canada. There are alternatives. Just because SoFi isn't an option doesn't mean you're out of luck. Here's the good news, Canada has a thriving fintech scene with plenty of homegrown options that offer similar features. For high-yield savings, check out EQ Bank or Alter. Thinking about robo-investing? Wealthsimple or Quest Wealth could be a good fit. And for student loan refinancing, explore National Bank or Mogo. Do your research, explore your options. The key takeaway here is to do your research. Every platform has its own pros and cons, fees, and interest rates. Compare options, read reviews, and make sure the platform aligns with your financial goals. SoFi for Canadians, maybe not today, but maybe tomorrow. The Canadian finance world is constantly evolving, and who knows? Maybe SoFi will decide to take the plunge and expand north one day. Until then, there are fantastic Canadian fintech options waiting to be explored. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.